Hello guys, today I'd like to share a few tips and tricks on mountain house mules. Generally speaking, I find the mountain house mules rather plain, and I can understand why. They got to make sure that they appeal to the majority of their customers. But generally speaking, find them lacking in a little flavor sometimes. For the most part, I've liked every mule that I've tried so far. There's been one that I didn't care for. It was one of the breakfast meals. I think it was this Southwest style breakfast. I forget exactly what it's called. Didn't really care for it, but I'm not saying it's bad. It's just not my taste. And of course, I haven't tried everything yet, but so far they've all been pretty good. For the most part, the directions are pretty good on how to prepare them. Most of the time I just add an extra minute just for simplicity to the soak times. Most of them say that stand 8 to 9 minutes. I usually do it for 10. Especially when we're up here in the mountains where the lower boiling temperature of the water just they need to soak a little longer. I've already done a video on this, but I'll mention it again, and I'll link it in the description below. With the breakfast skillet and the scrambled eggs and bacon meals, really taste better if you got the chance to heat them up in a pan to boil off some of the extra water when you prepare it after you've let it soak. It really helps. Most of the meals I usually add a little salt and garlic, or garlic salt, depending on which I have handy at the time. Like I said, to most of them, just give it a little extra oomph, make them taste a little better. The spaghetti, the chili mac, and sometimes the beef stew, I won't add as much water. I usually cut back about a quarter of a cup from what they recommend, because they're just too watery. The spaghetti and the lasagna, I'll add not just garlic and salt, but I'll also usually bring Parmesan cheese with me to help them out. The Asian style meals, like this chicken teriyaki, I usually add a packet or two of soy sauce, the little packets you get from the carry out at the Chinese restaurants. I usually add 1 or 2 of those to them to help fix their flavors. Sometimes instead of garlic salt, I'll get the little Cajun sparkle packets from Popeyes and bring those with me to add to some of the meals. It comes in handy, helps with flavoring sometimes. Well, that's all I got for now. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.